Digital forms of money have continuously infested the standard cognizance and gotten forward movement. Notwithstanding, a significant number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this is conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for, fun. AXIE Infinity is based on the Ethereum blockchain. AXIE Infinity is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing digital currency. Players can acquire the AXS crypto by playing the game, and AXS tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT game increases huge ubiquity around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the biological system and ETH according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Through amusement, one could zero in on making more riches, which became obvious when the AXIE Infinity convention was imagined. A game-in token intended to be AXIE Infinity Shard token was made particularly with a couple to bring the diverse combination of digital money advantages and gaming. All advantages of play are based on blockchain calculations, where anyone has the colossal chance of procuring tokens with their value of gaming sharpness, making more methods of tomfoolery way acquiring. Before we start with real AXIE Infinity cost forecast, how about we actually look at the outline? Being established on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, AXIE Infinity is based on Ethereum, ETH, organization. Furthermore, this isn't all. There are endless approaches to procuring AXIE, yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable yet in the realm of AXIE Infinity. So be prepared to partake in the play-to-earn transformation called AXIE Infinity. AXIE Infinity, AXS, defining infinite possibilities drawing motivation from Pokemon personality-based universe. AXIE Infinity permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming capacities, doing combating, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources and AXIE hereditary information are just adaptable by outsiders that license the whole ecospace of engineers to track down the premise of their own devices and encounters. Established as of late in 2018, albeit the AXIE convention is still in a beginning phase of its origin, AXIE has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of everyday, week-by-week, and month-to-month dynamic clients. Being a significant income worker for Ethereum, AXIE Infinity has produced north of 6,400 ETH up till now. From one perspective, AXIE represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for masses and fabricates a mood of solid local area cutting the guide to an economical stage. Clients can possess the local AXIE Infinity token of the AXIE Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the AXIE Infinity convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. Benefits of blockchain go past lines and impediments of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, AXIE Infinity, AXS, is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a one-of-a-kind way, AXIE Infinity convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses or speed, or pretend of mediators. It completely centers around offering the clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect, in this way supporting its worldview job in the advanced eco-space. AXIE Infinity, AXS, the historical data. Seeking to be positioned as the principal clear decision in gaming procuring stages, the local token AXS is a definitive decision to make longs for flexible acquiring prospects materialize. AXIE Infinity has incredible help from parent AXIE Infinity Foundation contributes fundamentally to swarm deals. In any case, going by the specialized cost examination, the AXIE Infinity environment has shown enormous potential, reliably exhibiting the secret potential. AXS today shows a significant recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy regardless of the unfavorable cryptographic money market patterns. Contending with partners like Stellar and Ethereum, AXIE Infinity is positioned among the main 10 monetary forms. AXIE Infinity, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a great many clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of speculation, commendable monetary standards in light of fundamental functionalities. This crypto resource is yet to get forward movement with financial backers, as the market shows vulnerability towards its intrinsic potential. AXIE Infinity Technical Analysis. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,284.51, AXIE Infinity's ongoing cost activity reflects moderate rectification. The AXS cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to shock clients, according to the most recent news reports with respect to the NFT blast. AXIE Infinity has an ongoing circling supply of 60,907,500 AXS, and the pioneers behind AXIE Infinity are profoundly hopeful that, being a pioneer, the mass reception of AXIE Infinity has a ton of vows to see for its fans, according to their specialized examination. AXIE Infinity, AXS price prediction. 2022 to 2026. Instability is the intrinsic quality of AXIE Infinity, thus any kind of outlandish value expectation would be a difficult errand. In any case, going by the master value gauge and feelings, the temperament looks quite good. Since the previous month, AXIE Infinity, AXS cost has mirrored a huge meeting. Will the most recent headways assist the AXS with estimating to exchange higher? We should continue with the fair-minded crypto estimate for the AXS token. AXIE Infinity price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, AXS token is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost-taking AXIE Infinity shards, AXS, to cross all boundaries, scaling the $63.54 mark. AXIE Infinity price prediction 2023. AXIE Infinity, AXS, has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the AXS with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $74.11. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the AXS